Hey newbies, Neeraja Anand here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss ACF 2020 question paper. Okay, I have already solved quantitative ability part of ACF 2006 paper. Okay, you will get that in playlist. Do watch it. Now, we'll start the session here. See, while solving the questions, I do mention the topic names also so that you can concentrate on those topics more. Okay, yes. The question that we are solving now is from time, speed and distance. Read the question, newbies. Question is, walking at 4 km per hour, a student reaches his college 5 minutes late. Okay, if he walks at 5 km per hour, he reaches 2.5 minutes early. Then the distance from his house to college. This is the question now. Okay, what we have to do is, see, distance is same in both the cases, no? Correct? So let's take d1 is equal to d2. Okay, and we know distance formula is speed into time. Correct? Now, see here, if he walks at 4 km per hour, he reaches 5 minutes late. What do you mean by 5 minutes late? Whatever the usual time, for that add 5 minutes. Am I clear? Now, in this case, the unit of t is minutes. See? Let's take the equation like this. Now, next case is, if he walks at 5 km per hour, he reaches 2.5 minutes early. That means t minus 2.5 minutes. Is this clear? Okay, let's solve this equation now. This is 4t plus 20 is equal to 5t minus 12.5. Super. See, this is very simple. 2.5 into 5 means just multiply these two, you get 10, and 0.5 into 5. 0.5 into 5 means half of this, that is 2.5. Yes, just add that 2.5 to this, that is 12.5. Am I clear? Okay. Now, get the value of t. Let's send this 4t here and this here. We get t is equal to 32.5 minutes. Okay. Now, the question is for distance. No. Either you use this or this. Okay. Both gives you the same answer. Yes. Let's take this one. 4 into 32.5 plus 5. What is this value? 4 into 37.5. What is the important step here that we are missing? Check. Very important step is, see, we need the distance in kilometer. Correct. That means speed should be in kilometer per hour. Yes, we have. And time should be in hours. But we don't have that. Correct? No. We have time in minutes. Let's convert this to hours now. How do we convert this? Very simple. Just divide this value by 60. Okay, then this is 4 ones are 4 15s are. What is this value? 37.5 divided by 15. Very simple. 2.5 is the answer for this question. That means we can say 2.5 kilometers. Option B is the answer for this question. I hope this is clear. Equation method? Yes. Newbies, in the previous method, what we did is we solved for t first. We found the timing first. Then we calculated the distance. Correct? It's a long way. Let's get the distance directly by using this formula. Let me tell you how we can get this formula. Very simple. There we have taken distance is same. No. Here we have to take time taken in the case 1 minus time taken in the case 2 is equal to this delta t. Delta t is difference in the timings. Am I clear? Then, what is the time formula? Time formula is distance divided by speed. Let's take d divided by s1, speed 1, and d divided by s2, speed 2. Okay, is equal to delta t. Let's take out d common. We get 1 by s1 minus 1 by s2 is equal to delta t. Am I clear? Now, see, if we solve this part, we get S1, S2, S2 difference S1 is equal to delta t. That means D is equal to delta t into S1, S2 divided by S2 or S1 difference S2. Am I clear? This is the formula. I hope this is clear. Newbies, this is a wonderful formula that we can use to solve this pattern questions formula is delta T S1 into S2 divided by S1 difference S2. Okay, let's learn about this delta T. As we discussed, this delta T is difference in timings. Let's get the difference. If I say now the difference in timing is 7.5 minutes, will you agree with me? It's not 2.5, it is 7.5. I'll show you how. See here? Let's take usual timing is 10 o'clock. Okay. 5 minutes late means 10:05. 2.5 minutes early means 9 o'clock, 57 minutes, 0.5. We can take this half minutes as 30 seconds. Okay, let it be. Okay. Now check how can we come back to this 10 o'clock. Very simple. We have to add 2.5 minutes to this. Great. Now to reach this, we have to add 5 minutes. What is the difference from here to here then? See, just add these two. 7.5 minutes. This simple you can get the difference. Am I clear? Okay. So we get delta T as 7.5, but be careful. We need the distance in kilometers. So we have to keep time in hours. So let's divide this by 60. Then S1, S2 you know, correct? 4 and 5 divided by 5 minus 4. Newbies, just here you have to take the difference, okay? Bigger value minus smaller value. That's it. Let's reduce this. 7.5 divided by 60 into 20. Ones are threes are. Very simple number now. 7.5 divided by 3, which is 2.5. We can say 2.5 kilometers. We get the same answer. Am I clear, everyone? Instead of doing all this thing to get delta T, very simple technique is there. If it is one late and one early, okay, late and early is there, what you can do is just add the timings. See, 5 plus 2.5, 7.5, that will be delta T. If it is both the times it is late and both the times it is early, what you have to do is you have to take difference. Am I clear? If it is one late and another one is early, just add the values to get the delta T. If it is same, I mean both are late and both are early, what you can do is just take the difference to get the delta T. Okay? Yes, we'll continue. Next question from time, speed and distance. Two men start to work together to a certain destination. Okay, we don't know that distance, that is for the question. See, then the distance is, yes. Then one walks at 3 km per hour and the other one at 3.75 km per hour. Okay, the latter arrives half an hour before the former. See, one who comes late, you have to take that person as a latter person, okay? And one who reaches first, you have to take that person as a former person, okay? Then, see, they're telling time taken by the latter person minus the time taken by the former person is half an hour. You can take 1/2 to this, okay? Then, see, what is the speed of the latter person? 3 km per hour. Okay, what is the speed of the former person? 3.75 km per hour. You can write this as 3/4 km per hour. See, 0.25. You can take this as 1/4. 0.30, this as 1/2. 0.75, this as 3/4. Am I clear? So, see, 3.75 means you can rewrite it as 3/4. Okay, then let's convert this to improper fraction. 12, 15, 15 divided by 4. Multiply these two and add this one. Okay, 15 divided by 4. What is the time formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed 3 minus distance by speed 15/4 is equal to 1/2. Then let's take d common. 1/3 minus this 4 goes up. So 4/15 is equal to 1/2. LCM is 15 to this. So let's take 15. We get numerator 5 minus 4 divided by 15 is equal to 1/2. Okay. Then what is the d value? We get d value as 15/2, which is 7.5 kilometers. Very simple. See, this is the answer. It's all about calculation, okay? Concentrate on the calculation, you will get the answer soon. Small correction, newbies. In the previous question, I told you that 0.25 1/4. Okay, this is correct. But the next one is not 0.30, it's 0.50. Am I clear? 0.50 you can take 1/2. Okay, then 0.75 is 3 by 4. Small correction, yeah? Yes. We'll continue now. The third question from time, speed and distance is, a man on a train noticed that he can count 21 telephone posts in 1 minute. Okay, if they were known to be 50 meters apart, then at what speed is the train traveling? Newbies, very simple question. Just think properly, you will get it. Okay, let's take the example of 5 telephone posts. Okay, now see here. First one. Okay, you have to start like this. First one, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, now see 50 meters apart, 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, now see here 5 telephone posts, but how much distance? Only 4 times of 50. It is 4 times of 50. Am I clear, everyone? Similarly, the distance between first telephone post and the 21st telephone post is 20 times of 50. Am I clear? It is not 21 times of 50. It is just 20 times of 50. Okay? This is where you do mistake. Other than this, it's normal one. You will do it. Now, let's take the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distance, see, 20 times of 50, that is 1000. Okay? Divided by 1 minute. Correct? No. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Yes. Let's take it as 60 seconds. Okay, let's reduce this. This is 50 by 3. What is the unit? Meter per second. Am I clear? Because see, we have distance in meter and we have taken time in second. So we get speed in meter per second. Okay, how do we convert this to kilometer per hour? Very simple. Just multiply this with 18 by 5. Am I clear? Okay, let's reduce this. 1s are 6s are, 1s are 10s are. Very simple number. So, 60 kilometer per hour. This is the answer for this question. Hope I'm clear. Okay, we'll continue, newbies. The question that we are solving is from problems on ages. Okay, the question is, the age of the man is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 sons, and after 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of their ages. Then the present age of the man is. See, ages topic is all about equation creation. Okay, if you create the proper equation, then you will get the proper answer. That's it. Okay, now let's take present and plus 5 years future. Okay, now let's take that man age as M and the 2 sons age as S. Am I clear? Then see, they're asking you to take them to the future. So man will grow for 5 years. Okay, these 2 sons are there, no? Both will grow for 5 years. So what you have to do is you have to add this 5 2 times. Instead of taking different variables for the 2 sons, you can manage this with a single variable. Am I clear? Okay. Let's take the present equation first. See, the age of a man is 3 times the sum of the ages of his sons. So, M is equal to 3S. Okay. Then, let's take the future equation. Age of the man is twice the sum of their ages. Okay. Yes. They're asking for M value. Present age of the man means M. No. That's why you have to solve for M. In this case, they solve for S. Why, ma'am? Simple. See, if you solve for M, no, you have to take S as M by 3. That might complicate your equation. Okay, to save time, simple, they solve for S and then get the M. Okay, so take this as 3S plus 5 is equal to 2S plus 20. Okay, S is equal to 15. See, simple, no? Okay, let's get the M now. M is 3 into 15. So the answer is 45. Hope this is clear. Yes. See, you can solve for M directly. Okay, think once. Aptitude is all about timing. To save some time from that question, what you have to do is you have to apply the proper way over there. Okay? Yes. We'll continue. The question that we are solving is from average topic. Okay. Let's read the question. The average age of the 11 players is 25 years. If a player A is replaced by another player B, okay, then the average age of the players become 26 years. The difference between the ages of A and B is very simple, newbies. Let's take initial sum of all ages of those 11 players. From this, what you're doing? You're removing A and you're adding B to this. That's what they're telling. See, replace means you have to remove the player A from the group and you have to add player B to the group. Am I clear? Okay, then we'll get the final sum. Final sum of all their ages. Okay. Newbies, we know formula for average. Average is equal to sum divided by total. Correct? No? Yes. Then let's get the formula for sum. Sum is equal to average into total. That's it. Okay, let me take this as initial average into initial number of people. Okay, and you're removing player A and you're adding player B to this. Then final average into final number of people. That's it. Okay, so initial average is 25. How many are there? 11 are there. Okay, then minus A plus B is equal to final average is 26 years. Now, how many members are there? See, it's just a replacement, no? So, we have 11 players. Okay, yes. Let's solve this question now. Very simple, newbies. See, just take it as 26 into 11 minus 25 into 11. Just take this 11 common. You will get 26 minus 25. The value is 11 into 1. What is the final answer then? 11. We can say the difference between the ages of A and B is 11 years. That's it. Very simple question. I hope you have understood this way. See, we have used this formula to answer this question. That's it. Yes, we'll continue now. Newbies, next question from average topic is, in a class there are 33 students comprising of boys and girls. In a monthly test, the average score of the class was 14. The average scores of all the girls and boys of the class were 15 and 12 respectively. Boys score, average score is 15. No, girls, correct. First one is for girls, okay? Then boys score is 12, average score is 12. Overall, it's 14. That's what given here. Okay, assuming that all the students had taken the test, what is the number of girls and number of boys in the class? This is the question. Very simple, newbies. See, we can use weighted average formula for this. Okay, very simple question. Weighted average I can represent like this. Okay, average of girls into total number of girls plus average of all the boys into total number of boys divided by total number of girls plus total number of boys. Okay, let's put the values to this. This is given as 14 and this as 15. Number of girls, we don't know. Let's keep it G only. Then average of all boys is 12. Okay, then into B divided by G plus B. Okay, let's reduce this. We get 14G plus 14B is equal to 15G plus 12B. Okay, G means number of girls and B means number of boys. Simple. Then let's solve this equation now. Let's send this 14G that side. We get 1G. Correct? 15 minus 14 we get 1. And let's send this 12B this side. We get 2B. Okay. G by B is equal to 2 by 1. That means ratio of girls and boys is 2:1. After getting this, it is very simple. No, correct? Total 33 are there. Split this in terms of 2:1 ratio. Answer is 22 and 11. If you don't know how to split this, technique is very simple. See, for girls, 2 out of 3 into 33, we get 22. Ma'am, why are you taking this as 2 out of 3? Very simple. See, take the total of this 3. If total 3 are there, you have to take 2 are girls and 1 is a boy. Okay, that's why. If 3 students are there, 2 are girls, and if 33 are there, how many? That's it. Okay, then Number of boys is equal to 1 by 3 into 33. We get 11. I hope this technique is clear. This is weighted average technique. Okay. This formula is more than enough to solve these type of questions. Yes. Let's learn another technique now. Newbies, another technique is the technique that we use in alligation mixtures concept. Okay, very simple technique. What you have to do is you have to take the average score of girls here like this and average score of boys here like this and here overall average. Am I clear? Very simple. Here you will get the weight ratio. Okay, see, number of girls and number of boys. Am I clear? We can take this as quantity ratio. Okay, simple. Let's take the values here. Girls 15 and boys 12, overall 14. Okay, in order to get this value, what you have to do is you have to subtract these two. Am I clear? So we get 2. In order to get this value, you have to subtract these two. We get the value 1. Hope this is clear. Take the ratio of this. See, we got the same thing here. See, if you want, you can use this technique or this technique. But this is faster way. After getting 2:1, it's a normal procedure. Okay, you have to split this 33 in terms of 2:1 ratio. Newbies, I hope all the questions that we have solved in this video are clear. If you have any doubt, please do comment it. Thank you.